Hello everyone and welcome to my new video in which I'll be creating a good receipt for a purchase order. I know that we know how to create a good receipt in SAP GUI through a transaction MIGO or MIGO, but in my session I'll be walking you through how to create a GRN in a FIORI application. Right? So the application name is Post Good Receipt for Purchase Order. And as we know that since SAP is introducing S/4HANA and FIORI Launchpad, so most of the transaction will be available in FIORI Launchpad as well. So friends, I'll be moving to FIORI Launchpad and will execute an application called Post Good Receipt for Purchase Order. This is the screen of FIORI Launchpad. Here there are different applications. I'll be choosing an application called Post Good Receipt for Purchase Order, and then we will see how we create a good receipt. There are two ways to search for an application. You can have the shortcut or a tile added to your dashboard, or you can go there and search for a particular application. But in our case, since we have already application added in my tile or in my dashboard, I'll be executing this tile through my desktop itself. We'll click on this. This is the screen which is showed, which is displayed when we have to enter a purchase order to perform a good receipt. In case you are aware that what is the purchase order number, you can directly enter here, or else you can click on it and you can search. You can choose all the purchase order which are pending for a good receipt, or I have a vendor code or a supplier code. I'll be entering that supplier code. And when I click on this, it will show all the purchase orders which belongs to this supplier. So I have created multiple purchase orders for this supplier, but we'll be choosing this one for our demo purpose. As soon as I click on this, system will directly bring all the information of this particular supplier or a purchase order in my next screen. Here, the document date and posting date, etc., or the line items which are expected to be received will be populated automatically, as in the case of MIGO transaction as well. You can mention the delivery note. I'll just write demo for MIGO. Right? Let it be the posting date same, and the document date, let me change it to 27. After that, it's your call whether to select all the line items or only one item. I'll be performing only one good receipt for this purchase order. I'll only select the one line item. And then I'll try to see that whether there is an entry or no, or is there any error for the same or no. After this, you don't have to do anything. You can see which items are there in case of any attachment which are there in the purchase order, which will flow from the purchase order automatically, or in case you want to add any attachment, you can do that as well. After this, just click on post button and system will post the good receipt. In case you want to view a material document, you can simply click on this open purchase order or material document overview, and system will open the material document. Here you can see the process flow where system will show that against a purchase order, which line item got created or used for creating a good receipt, and simultaneously what is the accounting document. So this is how we perform a transaction of good receipt in FIORI application. Thank you, friends. Till that time, I'll bring you the next video. See you.